Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Goodbuds, man. We back with the Breeders Booth again, man. And so today is gonna be a very nice episode. Finally, as y'all saw earlier in the series, we was gonna be taking these girls to the next level. So it's time for the transformation. So right now, the rest of the tent right here, as you can see, the rest of the girls that we're doing this research on, they're gonna continue in their vegetative state, which is what you're seeing right now. Obviously, they're gonna continue in this vegetative state for the next 2 weeks. Man, which is kind of late though. Honestly, I probably would have did it a little sooner because these girls look pretty bushy. You know what I'm saying? As far as like how small they are, we did really good with like spreading them out. Some of them, and this one I remember this one didn't even fucking make it, but for some reason, but we did a pretty good job of spreading them out. So what we're gonna do first is go ahead and get the donors. Now the 2 net is number 3, man. I can't wait to find a new pheno that we're gonna be starting to run, man, because we're gonna have some new shit coming. Because running these, the life cycle that we had with these nets, man, it was fucking fire, and we really had some real credit come out of the research, you know what I'm saying, that we did for these girls. So you guys get to see live. We're gonna go ahead and take these girls out. Now I was gonna put them in this tent so they can start flowering with these other plants, but then I realized something. I probably don't want them to be in a tent with any other plants, just in case they start dropping pollen early. Then we're gonna start to pollinate and make these plants germ. And on top of which, I didn't want to accidentally spray any of those plants with the solution. Even though I do it outside the tent, I did start to do it out. Well, when I put them in the tent with the other plants, I did make sure I didn't spray the other ones, but I just didn't want to do that with these. So I did end up cleaning this tent out over here. And we got the SP3000s running. And I'm just going to go ahead and put these 2. And these girls actually were inside the 1 gallon pots. Look how big they got. We really could have did the whole thing in 1 gallon, no cap. So we're going to take this silver thiosulfate solution and we're going to spray these girls real heavy. And then I spray them every 3 days. So with the colloidal silver, you have to spray every fucking day, like a lot, real heavy. With the silver thiosulfate solution, we only gonna have to spray these girls like every 3 to 4 days. And what I do is start 2 weeks. I think on these ones, I don't even think I started 2 weeks. I don't remember. I apologize, y'all, but I don't think we started the whole 2 weeks. I think it was just like a week. I had sprayed them, and then I flipped in the flower, and I didn't put that on camera because I was already spraying them because I was late starting. But I'm supposed to be recording it, which is why you're gonna see I actually got some. They actually turned really fast. It was because I started spraying a week before I actually got them in this tent, and I just wasn't recording it because I just wasn't thinking. I don't know what I was thinking. But make sure y'all check out, man, the ADlites, man. If y'all ain't already put on for the ADlites, if y'all ain't seen it, we can add the supplemental lighting from Mars Hydro. Make sure y'all check that out because now we can add supplemental blue, supplemental red, deep red spectrum. If y'all don't know about the deep red spectrum, that's going to make all our terpenes pop. That's going to give you real good high THC levels and get those flowers real heavy, real weight and mass, man. So, and then the blue is real good for vegetation as well. So, man, if y'all check out those ADlites, and then we got the... What if you had a grow planner app that had an AI in it that you could scan your plant and tell you exactly what's going on, man? Keep detailed logs, even set alarms so you never forget what you're supposed to be doing to your garden. And look no further, man. Check out the Growmies planner and Hangout, man. The planner app where you can completely log your entire grow from start to finish, no matter what stage of life they're in, no matter what you're doing to that plant. It is included in this app, man. You can completely take control of your entire grow. Introducing Trico, the new AI power system where he can completely scan the entire app and he's going to know exactly what's going on. He can scan your plants. You can ask him about your current growth situations and he keeps track of everything that's going on, man. Make sure y'all download this in the App Store. And don't forget, man, we got the Hangout as well. That's the community. Get to know your Growmies, man. We can all talk and share our plans together, man. Let's share our success, man. Together with the Growmies, Planner, and Hangout. Download it now. Link in the bio. Ultraviolet add-on as well, man. So you can check all those out and they'll help boost that growth and use my code Goodbuds. But what we gonna have to do is we gonna go ahead and flip these girls to flower now. So they're gonna go another 2 weeks in flower inside this tent. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off. So this is that silver sulfate solution is just like any other spray that you would spray your plants with. So make sure you like this video, comment, and subscribe, and you turn the lights off when you spray your fucking plants, so you don't burn them and shit. And then when the lights came back on, as you can see, you couldn't even tell that these got sprayed, and that's exactly what we want. I mean, these not the ones that got sprayed, but you couldn't even tell that the nanas got sprayed. And then these girls, we just gonna let these continue on, and then every 3 days we're gonna continue to spray those 2 donor plants, and you're gonna start to see a transformation. Unlike you've really seen on this channel so far. I think you guys probably seen one pollen sac, but you ain't seen no complete male plant, which is real cool as fuck for me the first time see. And on this channel, for the most part, I think it's gonna be y'all first time seeing a complete male plant, which wasn't even a fucking male plant in the first place. Even when I tried to grow male plants, I didn't even get any male plants. I didn't even get no strong pollen sacs and stuff from those male plants, which is weird when I grew some regular seeds out. So this is my first time seeing this whole thing feel like pollen sacs. I'm talking about everywhere, pollen falling all over fucking place. Like, and at first I didn't even think it was working. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Y'all like this video. Y'all comment down below and you subscribe. This your boy. We up out of here.